Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install a 30 series torque converter on your Colman Ct200u-ex mini bike. This one already has a torque converter installed, but the driver's all wore out, sloppy, and the belt's junk. So the driver's like $30 and the belt's probably $15, $20 or something. So it's cheaper just to buy another whole nother torque converter. So yeah, I want to remove this real quick and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, I got everything taken off. You see what I mean by the belt? Probably the only thing wrong with this thing was just the belt. It would start leaving it like 3,000. It's supposed to engage like 2,000, or the springs and the driver's hole wore out and stuff. Alright, once you're to this point, you want to make sure you have your pulleys perfectly straight, as close as you can. And then you want to put your belt on with a flat side. See, there's a flat side and there's like a beveled side. So here's the beveled and the flat. Well, you get the point. Yeah, see the bevel right there, and this side's perfectly flat. The flat side goes to the inside. Take this. Line it up like that. And you put some Loctite on the bolt and then cinch it down. Alright, once you get that put on, you want to take your cover and kind of set it on there and line it up and mark where your chain's going to be. But you need to leave like a little gap, like half-inch gap in there, because your chain, if it ever gets loose, it's going to start slapping and stuff. So just leave it a little bit extra.